It smells a lot. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Around the World trip, and this marks the end of our long 5 days of hibernation in Pattaya. If you have watched our previous videos, you know how we flew here, so if not, the link will be here in the description. And today is a travel day, and we are going to show you the cheapest way possible to travel from Pattaya to Phuket. Though we have been to Thailand for 4 times, we have never been to Phuket, so let's go there.
So before that, we need to buy some snacks. Let's go. So in these 5 days of hibernation, what we did?
Good question. We ate.
Lots of.
We slept.
Too much.
Still jet lagged, I feel, because we are sleeping in the odd timings. Being close to Bangladesh, here is a great influence of Bangladeshi and Indian cuisine, and that was like a feeling home for us. So we ate mostly for lunch to a particular restaurant, and then we did massage in the afternoon and evening. And obviously we are living in the close proximity of walking street, so the nightlife was...
Hey, wow. Namaste. The jet lag helped us, because with that jet lag we couldn't sleep in the night, we were sleeping in the morning.
And that's the reason, like in the 4 times we have been to Pattaya, finally we saw some nightlife. So this time we didn't film anything in these 5 days in Pattaya, but if you want to see what to do and where to stay, we do have a series back from 2022. That we will share the link in the description or somewhere over there. And now let's go to our favorite convenience store.
7-Eleven, baby. So we have taken the tuk-tuk because the Grab...
They didn't grab us.
So for transport in Thailand, mostly people uses Grab. There's an app. It's like Uber, but it's most famous in Southeast Asia. But that Grab cancelled, so we took this tuk-tuk. This is for 150 baht. It take us to the bus stop, the bus which will take us to Phuket. We'll let you know all the details in bus stop. We bought our ticket from this Swasti All Thai Pattaya to Phuket bus stop, and the ticket price is 966 per person. For both of us it is 1932 baht. So from Pattaya to Phuket, this is the cheapest option what we found. This will take around 15 to 16 hours, an overnight bus. It will start at 3 PM and it should end at 7 in the morning tomorrow. There is no snacks or water in the bus, although they will provide a dinner. Not sure what and where, so buy all the snacks and water before you board the bus to Phuket, and they will provide blankets. Right now I'm going to buy water. Snacks is already there for us. So this bus runs only on alternate days, like today is first, so it will run on 3rd, 5th, 7th and so on. So this is the bus, and they have given us these blankets,
And we have a huge
yeah, the leg space is really huge, and we are sitting on the front 3-4 and have a proper panoramic view. So the bus was supposed to leave at 3, but it is 16 minutes late. Let's see if it reached on time. The reaching time in Phuket it's 8 AM.
So watch till this end to know how our feedback of this 16 hours long journey in a bus like this.
So after 6 hours of journey, we are right now in a dhaba.
So dinner is included with the ticket. and it's kind of like a buffet thing. So with the rice you can choose any 2 types of curries, and they have stopped for 20 minutes, so around 10 hours of journey left. So few things I would like to mention while eating. The stairs to go up, it's like very steep, like each stair is around like a foot high. So if you or anyone in your family has accessibility issue, do book the lower berth ones, the VIP ones, or you may choose any other options to reach Phuket. We'll get to that later on. And secondly, the washroom situation is a bit tricky. It's there, but it smells a lot, so be prepared mentally that you are not going to get fresh washroom here. So maybe you drink less water and survive the night. They have given us these blankets, and the temperature in the bus, unlike the reviews, is actually pretty well controlled. And this set reclines a lot, and the leg rest also is actually pretty nice here. We have a USB port here to charge your electronics, a bottle holder, something holder. And as we are sitting in the front of the bus, we have a huge space for storage, so we just have kept our bags. And here are the like AC and light controls, and that's pretty much it. It's 1 o'clock. We are still going. 7 more hours to go. It's pitch dark outside right now. No idea where we are, but the bus actually, it's pretty good, but it stops multiple times, like several times I'm seeing the bus stopping, but not for the passengers. The driver is doing something, I don't know what. But gladly they gave us second stop, but as per reviews it used to be giving only 1 stop in the entire 16 hours, so we got 2 stops.
Yeah, we are lucky. Let's go. That's the washroom just beside this. No water, you have a bucket of water, that's all.
Another stop. So it's 5 AM, almost, I think 3 more hours to go. 13 hours we have survived. So at 8:33 AM the next day, we just reached Phuket 17.5 hours later. I literally don't recall my life before getting on the bus. Anyways, we are here, and now we will let you know what are the 3 options from Pattaya to Phuket.
So the fastest option is obviously flight. You take the bus from Pattaya to Bangkok. From Bangkok you have the flight to Phuket. Fastest option, but the expensive one. The second, the cheapest one, is from Pattaya to Phuket, direct bus, although that goes through Bangkok, but that's the cheapest one.
Yeah, that's the cheapest one which we took. It's like $25 per person.
So if you, but that is the longest trip. If you don't want to stuck 17 hours in this one bus, you have the option to break in 3, like from Pattaya to Bangkok bus, from Bangkok to Surat Thani. From Bangkok to Surat Thani,
there's a
in a train
that will take around 9 hours, and from Surat Thani to Pattaya again a 4.5 hours bus. So there is unfortunately no direct train line from Pattaya to Phuket. That's why the break option.
So you can take either of one of this. We took this one, although she didn't like it. Maybe next time we'll break and come.
So as we first reached to Pattaya and then to Phuket, so we did all our exchange things, SIM card, everything in Pattaya.
We are using Wise card for our ATM withdrawal, because Wise actually gives you excellent exchange rate all over the world in any of the ATMs. Link has been given in the description. You can use that link and withdraw your cash. So we are taking DTDC phone connection, which is 699 baht for 15 days, unlimited local calls, unlimited data. The Idol also has a similar rate, but it's just $1 extra. So we are saving $1 by mistake.
So this was the All-Thai bus. Is the only bus in Thailand which comes directly from Pattaya to Phuket, and that operates in every alternate days. You can book the ticket directly going at the counter, or at least one day prior you can go in Pattaya or Phuket and book the tickets there.
And from Phuket bus stop, we took this taxi, very old taxi, 500 baht, to our hotel, Patong Beach. Let's go.
So we still haven't checked in yet, but our hotel receptionist was so nice. She asked us to use the toilet and she kept the trolley bags and everything. So we got freshened up and now we are in the hunt for food, because right now we are not sure whether our tummy needs breakfast or lunch, but we are damn hungry. So we came in this restaurant. Also, we just realized, thanks to Facebook memories, that today is July 2nd, I mean that we know, but July 2nd 2016 was that day when we first went for our international trip, our first time international trip, and in Thailand. You might already know the story. So it's like after 8 years we are back in Thailand on the same very day. So I ordered grilled shrimp salad. Let's see how it is. Tastes nice actually. Welcome to our room in Phuket. So we are still catching our breath because we got our room on the 4th floor and there are no elevators. So we literally climbed with all our luggages. So once we entered, the room is actually very clean, spacious and like bright. We have this mirror, drawers, a sofa. It's a queen size bed. So they have made some fancy arts with the towels. It always cracks me up with this towel arts. And on this side we have a cupboard which has ample amount of storage places with hangers, TV, and a fridge. Nothing inside. 2 bottles of water. And on this side we have the washroom. So a mirror, basin, commode, and a standing shower. And moving forward, I didn't know we had a balcony with some view.
And the price of this room is per night $17 only.
Only!
This coin laundry, actually we don't have to do it. It's not self-service. They will do it. 120 baht, only wash and dry. No folding. With folding it is 200 baht. So I am doing that on 121. Obviously I can fold myself.
3 hours later. So we were not supposed to sleep to break our jet lag cycle, but again we slept off. Just woke up after 8 o'clock and felt hungry, so crossed the road at the immediate first restaurant which we saw. We came inside. So I ordered stir fried noodles chicken. He ordered stir fried noodles shrimp with Coke and cocoa. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end, and if you have any questions regarding any options of how to travel from Pattaya to Phuket or anything in general, just write down in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, just subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
All their friends. Wait a minute, we should use and we are current. Do what?
play korchi kintu manna.
Alone.
So that's the reason we were awake.
We were awake.